Support and resistance are fundamental concepts in Forex trading that revolve around key price levels on a chart. They play a crucial role in technical analysis and help traders make informed decisions about potential price movements. Support refers to a price level at which a currency pair tends to stop falling and may even rebound. It acts as a floor that prevents the price from dropping further. Buyers tend to become more active at or near support levels, creating demand and causing the price to reverse or consolidate. Support levels are often identified based on historical price action, where the price has previously halted or reversed. When a currency pair's price approaches a support level, traders may look for signs of potential buying opportunities or reversals. Resistance is the opposite of support. It's a price level at which a currency pair tends to stop rising and may start declining. It acts as a ceiling that prevents the price from rising further. Sellers become more active at or near resistance levels, creating supply and causing the price to reverse or consolidate. Resistance levels are also identified based on historical price action, where the price has previously encountered obstacles or reversals. Traders often watch for signs of potential selling opportunities or reversals when a currency pair's price approaches a resistance level. Once a support level is breached, it can turn into a resistance level, and vice versa. This is known as role reversal, where former support becomes the new resistance, and former resistance becomes the new support. If the price decisively breaks through a resistance level, it may continue to rise, possibly indicating a breakout. Similarly, if the price breaches a support level, it may continue to fall, potentially signaling a breakdown.
Are you a trader? Aren't you profitable yet? Do you need a free consultation? Go to the Forex Academy website. Select Consultant Appointment in the main menu and finally set up an appointment to talk with our experts.
We express our gratitude for your attention. Forex Academy ensures weekly Forex and crypto analysis and forecast to keep you updated. Optimize your trading decisions with our daily Forex and crypto signals. Support us by liking, commenting, and subscribing to receive our profitable signals and insightful analysis.